Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the class. In the previous class, we have learned about animals and plants. In this session, we are learning about parts of a plant. What we are learning about? Parts of a plant. Okay, children? All of you open your book. Made up of different parts. A plant's body too has different parts. So our body is also made up of different parts. Yes. We are having hands, we are having legs, we are having stomach. All these are different parts of our body. In the same way, even plants are also having different parts. Okay? See, the part of a plant which grows above the ground is called what? Shoot. Above the ground. See, suppose if this is a ground which grows above the ground. Which grows above the ground is called shoot. See, I have cut here, no? What is this all called? Shoot. So below the ground, the plant which grows below the ground is called root. Whatever the plant grows below the ground is called root, and whatever the plant grows above the ground is called shoot. See the different parts of the plant. Here is a plant. See the different parts of the plant here, which grows below the ground is called root, which grows above the ground is called shoot. Okay. The shoot has a stem. What it has? The shoot is having a stem. Then next, the shoot is having a stem. It has stem, it has fruit, it has branches, it has leaves, it has flowers, it also has buds. So these all are the different parts of a plant. What all are these? These all are the different parts of a plant. A plant has different parts. A plant grows, which grows below the ground is called root, which grows above the ground is called shoot. The shoot has the stem, the fruit, the branch, the leaf, the flowers, and the bud. Okay, children, I think you have understood. The part which grows below the ground is called the root. So whatever it grows below the ground is called the root. There are two types of root system. There are two types of root system. One is taproot system. Another one is fibrous root system. What is taproot system? So this root system is divided into two types of roots. One is taproot system, another one is fibrous root system. So one is taproot system, another one is fibrous root system. See here I have drawn the picture for you. Taproot system. When a main root grows from the end of the stem, if a main root grows from the end of a stem, if it grows from the end of a stem, this is called as the taproot system. And many small roots grow from the main root system. And many small roots grow from the main root system is called the taproot system. It is a taproot system. Plants like balsam, beet, mustard have taproot system. All these have taproot system. Coming to the fibrous root system, when a number of roots grow, see here, all these, when a number of roots, see here, when a number of roots grow from the end of the stem, when a number of roots grow from the end of a stem, it is fibrous root. Plants like grass, wheat, rice, and onion have fibrous root example, rice, onion, wheat, etc. All these are the examples of fibrous root system. Okay. Coming, what are the functions of the root system? We have seen two types of root system. One is tapered system, another one is fibrous root system. Now we'll see the functions of the root system. The root fixes the plant in the soil. What are the functions of the root system? What are the functions of the root system? It fixes to the soil. It fixes to the soil. The root fixes the plant to the soil. Without roots, a plant will be able to die in neither water nor salt from the soil. So if there are no roots, the plants will die. If there are no roots, the plants will die. Why? Because it cannot take water, it cannot take soil. So the plants cannot grow. The plants will die. So without roots, the plants will not live. The plants will die. Why? Because the plants cannot take water. Without roots, plants die because it cannot take water nor soil. Some plants have roots that store food. Some plants have roots that store food. Plants like carrot, radish and turnip have thick and swollen roots. Plants have thick and swollen roots. Some roots will, in that roots only, it stores food. What are those? Vegetables, carrot, radish, turnip. Extra food is stored in them. This food is used by the plants. We eat the roots of such plants. We eat the roots of such plants. So these are the functions of the root. What are the functions of the root? The roots fix the plant in the soil. Without roots, plants die because with these roots only the plant takes water and the soil. Some plants store food in the roots like radish, turnip, carrot. They store the extra food in the roots. Coming to the stem. What is the next topic? The stem. What is it? The stem. The stem grows above the ground. See, I have told you, no? The stem grows above the ground. The root grows below the ground, but the stem grows above the ground. See here, the stem of the neem tree. See the stem of the neem tree, it grows above the ground. The stem of the neem tree is very hard, strong and woody. This is very, very hard. This is very strong and this is very woody. This keeps the tree upright. This keeps the tree very erect. It keeps the tree very upright. Such a stem is called a trunk. What we call this as a trunk. We call it as a trunk. Why? Because it is very hard. It is very strong and this stem keeps it upright and erect. So we call this as a trunk. Banana has a green, thick and soft stem. See the stem of a banana tree. It is also thick, but this is very soft. We will not call this as a trunk. Why? Because this is very soft stem. It is very soft stem. We will not call this as a thick one. We call it as a soft stem. This stem is very weak and soft. It needs support to stay upright. It needs supports to stay upright. But this no needs to support. But this needs support. See the functions of the stem. The main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright, and it supports its branches. It supports its branches. The stem also carries water to the
leaves. The stem also carries water to the leaves. The water taken in by the roots travels through the stem. Similarly, the stem carries the food made by the leaves to different parts of the plant. Whatever the food is prepared by the leaves, the stem takes the food which is prepared by the leaves to all parts of the plant. Takes the all parts of the plant. In plants like sugarcane, stores extra food in the stem. In plants like potato, ginger, the stem grows below the ground. Only in potato and ginger, the stem grows below the ground. These does not go above the ground. They grows below the ground and they store extra food. They store extra food. That is why we eat the stem of sugarcane. How we will eat sugarcane? We'll eat only the stem. Is it not? We'll eat only the stem of sugarcane and potato and ginger. We will not eat the roots. We will eat the stem. We will eat the stem of sugarcane, potato and ginger. Okay children? Hope you have all understood about different parts of a plant and about the root and about the stem. Read all of you carefully and I'll be back in the next session. Stay safe at your home.